It is ability to function across different devices and operating systems, whether using a Windows, PC, Mac OS, Linux, Android or iOS device. Users can access web content through a browser without needing to worry about compatibility issues. This universality enhances accessibility and usability. The fifth feature, it uses web browsers to provide a single interface for many services. Web browsers such as Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge, and Safari, it serves as a gateway to accessing the internet. Through a browser, users can visit websites, watch videos, read emails, shop online, and even use cloud-based applications. Browsers interpret web languages like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to render web pages interactively. And the last feature, the World Wide Web or the web is dynamic, interactive, and evolving. The web is not static. It continuously changes and improves with new content, technologies, and interactive elements. Modern websites allow users to interact through forums, comment sections, chatbots, and even artificial intelligence known as AI. Technologies like JavaScript, Ajax, and WebAssembly enable real-time updates, enhancing user experience. As it goes over time, the web has evolved from simple static pages to dynamic and intelligent applications that adapt to user needs. And the next topic, which is the components of the World Wide Web. And these are three components. The first one is known as the Uniform Resource Locator, the URL. It is the web address that users enter into a browser to visit a website. It serves as an identifier for web resources. URLs make it easy to navigate the web by allowing users to find websites without needing to remember complex numerical ID addresses. The second one, which I mentioned earlier, which is the Hypertext Transfer Protocol, HTTP. It is the protocol used to transfer data between web servers and browsers. When a user types a URL, the browser sends an HTTP request to the web server, which then responds with a requested web page. Meanwhile, HTTP is stateless, meaning each request is independent. However, technologies like cookies and sessions help maintain user interactions across multiple visits. And the last components of the World Wide Web, which is the HTML, the Hypertext Markup Language. HTML is the backbone of the web pages. It defines the structure and content of the web using tags such as H1, which equals to headings, P, which if you click the P, which is the paragraphs, A for hyperlinks, and IMG, which equals to images, and table also will deliver it as tables to the net. Without HTML, web browsers wouldn't know how to display text, images and multimedia on the screen.
So now we will talk about global connectivity and multilingualism. So as you can see, we have here the bar that shows the most spoken languages on the internet and in real life. So we have here the dominant languages on the internet. Number one, the English. So English, of course, is the most widely used language online, with the majority of content, websites, and online services being offered in English. Then we have number two, Chinese Mandarin, second most common language, driven by China's large online population and rapidly growing digital content. Then third is Spanish, with millions of users in Latin America, Spain, and other regions. Then the rise of multilingual content. So the increasing accessibility of the internet has led to the growth of multilingual content. Websites and platforms like Google, Facebook, and Wikipedia now offer content in multiple languages, catering to diverse global audiences. Technologies like machine translator or machine translation, example, Google Translate, are making it easier for users to access information in languages other than their native tongue. Then we have here, of course, the challenges for smaller languages. Many minority languages are underrepresented on the internet, and speakers of these languages may have limited access to digital content in their native tongue or native language. Language can exclude non-English speakers from participating fully in digital world, which can hinder cultural preservation and limit educational opportunities. Then, there's a digital divide where countries with limited internet access or fewer resources may have less content available in their languages.
How language powers the internet and the web. The internet is a vast space comprised of countless communities and subcultures, each one containing equally numerous individuals from across the globe. Due to this, various individuals with different cultural background and languages communicate to each other on a daily basis. In tandem to their unique environment, this leads to the development of certain words and jargon only they understand. However, even though this word is designed and could be understood by individuals that is a part of the aforementioned subculture or subgroup, sometimes these unique words could leak out to the public due to how popular or how numerous the individual that's a part of this subculture. One example would be the word LOL. No, I'm not referring to laugh out loud, but LOL, which means League of Legends. Even though that word originated from the game League of Legends, the word itself has become widespread to gamers or those who knows the game due to how popular the game and its player base became. There are many other examples of this. Such as mining and Minecraft being heavily associated with each other, and other words. Language innovation and digital age. This is most notably seen in the abbreviation of words such as LMAO, which means laughing my ass off, LOL, which means laugh out loud, TLDR, too long, didn't read, IDK, which is very well known and widely used, which means I don't know, and other abbreviated words. They also create new words to refer to certain actions, trends, and memes, such as using the word race to describe someone charismatic, or Chad to describe someone handsome and muscular. In conclusion, language, the internet, and the World Wide Web are deeply interconnected, shaping global communication and information sharing as a foundation of digital interaction. Language enables websites, social media, and research and search engines to function while evolving through internet slang, hashtags, and emojis. The rise of multilingual content promotes inclusivity, though challenges remain in preserving minority languages and ensuring accessibility. Advances in AI and translation tools help bridge language barriers, making the digital world more connected. Ultimately, language is essential in creating an inclusive, diverse, and accessible online space. That is all, and I hope you love our group's presentation. Thank you for watching.